Hi viewers, this is Dr. Raheel Karim here. You'll be seeing a lot of these videos on various channels, especially pertaining to mental health. I'll take the opportunity to let you know who I am and what I can do. I essentially graduated from King Edward Medical College, then went abroad for my postgraduate training in psychiatry. I became a member of the Royal College of Psychiatrists in 1987. I therefore can tell you that I have extensive experience, and should you have the need to see me, you would definitely be in safe and competent hands. I have experiences both of working in Pakistan in some very prestigious medical teaching institutes as well as internationally. Just to highlight my experience in Pakistan, I worked as an associate professor, assistant professor, and finally I was the head of the department at King Edward Medical College, Lahore, in the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences. Unfortunately, I had to leave the country. I went to England in the year 2000 and started working as a consultant psychiatrist. This is primarily in various specialties, including general adult psychiatry, old age psychiatry, substance misuse. My work at consultant level, according to the guidelines in Britain, have been appraised for the last 20 years. It makes me very proud to say that I have scored above the 90th percentile for core professional attributes and relationships to patients, colleagues, and within the multidisciplinary teams. I've also worked as an appraiser and conducted appraisals of other senior consultant colleagues. To sum it up, my experience in psychiatry is diverse, spread over various aspects of general psychiatry and its subspecialties, including child psychiatry and learning disability. To highlight my specialist experiences, that I was involved in the development of substance misuse services. This was with the assistance of WHO funded project at King Edward Medical College. I also have international and vast experience in treating patients with substance misuse, which includes alcohol dependence, cocaine dependence, other street drugs. I've also worked within a huge NHS organization, therefore have experience in Britain of team leadership, collaborative work, service development, innovation and delivery. As regards clinical governance experience, I have many years of experience of developing services, team leadership, collaborative work, service development, innovation and delivery in England. My academic experience includes having taught in various medical schools at an undergraduate and postgraduate level for many years. I've been a lecturer, supervisor, and examiner for medical education in psychiatry. I've held the post of the Royal College of Psychiatrists as a clinical tutor with the Northwest and the Mersey Deanery for 5 years. I remain actively involved in training and recruitment of psychiatric trainees, where applicants apply to the national recruitment schemes within the NHS. This is also to highlight to the people who might be budding psychiatrists that they might have an opportunity of going to England should they prefer to work with me at some point in time. I've also fulfilled the role as an educational supervisor for psychiatric trainees in Britain as well as in Pakistan. I've been involved in various overseas consultant sponsorship schemes. I may add that I've been in continuous professional development and currently in good standing with the Royal College of Psychiatrists now for many, many years. I have many publications to my credit in peer-reviewed journals. I'm approved by the Secretary of State under Section 12(2) of the Mental Health Act for the last 21 years and deemed to be having specialist experience and expertise in the diagnosis and treatment of mental disorders. For patients who are involved in the criminal justice system, I work as an expert witness in assisting the courts in preparing medical legal reports for patients suffering from severe and enduring mental illness who may or may not have committed any crimes. I have worked in the capacity as a medical member for Tier 2 Tribunal Mental Health Services in England. So therefore I have a lot of experience of forensic psychiatry and assessing patient in such settings like the prison and elsewhere. This leads to my other hat, which is the medical legal work that I do, both for the NHS and within the private sector, and providing high quality, focused, timely reports for patients suffering from severe and enduring mental illness who are in contact with the justice system. As regards to my clinical experience, I've already mentioned that I've been a consultant for over 30 years. I've been working both within the NHS and providing private outpatient and inpatient medical consultancy services both in Manchester at King Street and Harley Street in London. I have now moved back to my roots and currently providing psychiatric services in all specialties at my clinic in Gulberg at 86B2 Gulberg 3. For a face-to-face appointment, I will be providing you with a non-judgmental, empathic, motivated, progressive, outward-looking services. If you wish to consult, and the services that you will get from me will be according to the core values of my organization. These are likely to be patient-centered. You will get service from competent people. Your confidentiality is paramount to me. The service will be delivered in a compassionate way. Let me highlight something, that it is going to be a very caring service with a zero harm policy. If this essentially means that if I'm not able to help you, I should not do anything to make your mental health or physical health worse. So these are the core values at the heart of when I see patients and when my organization deals with patients suffering from mental health problems. As a highly trained professional, I'm going to be non-judgmental, empathic. I'm very motivated. I'm progressive and outward-looking, hardworking, very experienced consultant psychiatrist who has worked in the field of psychiatry for 39 years. I've always endeavored to deliver evidence-based, high-quality services to the right person at the right time, of international quality, delivered in a safe manner, which is definitely value for money. Remember, there's no health without mental health.